Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can link a Revit file from shared folder. In our last video, we have discussed how we can link a Revit file via live linking. So let's start. Right now, for that one, I have to go for manage links. Right here, I have to add a Revit file. So I'll click on add Revit. Now my file is on Autodesk Docs, so I'll go for Autodesk Docs folder once my file explorer will open. Yep. So let me go for my Autodesk Docs. I'll go inside the project and we'll go for my file location. Now we are going for shared folder, right? So I'll go for shared. I'll go for which file I want to link. So right now I'm working in my MAP model and I want to link the architectural model. So I'll go for architecture, select the architectural model. It'll take a couple of seconds to load the file. Click on open. Right now you can select based on your positioning whether it is center to center, internal origin by shared coordinates or by project base point. Right now I have set the project based on internal origin to origin. Click on open, and now again it'll take a couple of seconds to load the file and then it'll be shown right here. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Now it's loaded. Click on close. My file is right here. The purpose of linking shared folder, the Revit file via shared folder is once, on daily basis, if architectural team is working and MEP team is also working, if they are like you already linked your file via live linking, then whatsoever the architectural team is doing on daily basis, on hourly basis, if they are syncing their model, definitely they'll be syncing their model, then it'll be shown in your model as well. It'll be very hectic for you to track your work. So it is um, good practice if you are linking your file via shared folder. Shared folder means uh, whenever they are syncing, you'll not get the changes. But when they are releasing their package, for example, weekly, bi-weekly, like that way, then only you'll be able to see the changes. So it means it'll be decided when they'll be sharing their package weekly by weekly, so that you'll be getting the information. Okay, now it's time when we are getting any changes from the another stakeholder. So that is why we know we link the files sometimes via shared folder. Now in next video we'll discuss how to link a Revit file via consumed folder. So thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.